Hi, Blandine here, and this is my week 4 authentication assignment. As you can see here, the structure of my code from last week has changed. Now I have model. In model, you see I have DB and I also have user, and then you can see in my root here, I have two more further inside. I have auth for authentication, and I also have protect for protection. So as you can see, things has changed here in my even in my code a little bit. So I'm gonna go to live to show you my assignment functionality. Here I am live. As you can see, the things for previous week are still here, but for this week, here we are. So I'm gonna click here in get, and then as you can see here we have here username strength and password strength also. So I'm gonna write, I'll create a password, a username here, which I'll say clear, and user and password here I'll just gonna write and I'll click execute. And after this, you see the respond here, it respond clear password, everything is successful. So, and then as you can see also down here, user created is showing that everything is working accordingly. And now come down here, the second one here, the port here is to log in. So I'll try to log in using the same credential that I used to create a username and password. And let's see what, oh sorry for that, let's see what here we will get. Then I come here, write the same name, come down, password, and then I'll click execute. Then as you can see down here, it appear, and then the response is here, log in successfully, which is showing you that it's all login successfully. But in case, just let's say that let's say I forgot the password, let me just remove the last the last character in my password, and then click and execute again, and then you see the error is gonna show up here, and you see the response here is invalid credential. So this is showing that the authentication is working, is secure. If you use a wrong password, it's not gonna let you log in. And then I'll go to the next part, which here is to log out. So I'll just gonna click, let's try, and then I'll click execute to log out, and then you see the answer, log out successfully. And the list here is in trying to access the data of the person that is the data of the client of a person, that the data of the user. So if I click execute here, when you are trying to access the account that doesn't belong to you, and then the answer is unauthorized, that you are not authorized. So this is my week 4 authentication assignment. As you can see here, everything worked perfectly fine. And here is my grid hub. As you can see, everything is perfectly fine. I did not add anything in my readme, and I just leave everything be the way it was. And here is my render.com. As you can see, my